welcome to the Imaging Center, and this is our Risograph room. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the Risograph, it's generally like a screen printer in a Xerox machine, except it uses ink instead of toner, and you can print spot colors instead of CMYK. People like to use it because in general you get a more vibrant tone, and you can use colors that are not available on a laser printer like fluorescent orange or fluorescent pink. It kind of works like a stamp in that you have a black and white plate to begin with, and then it prints your plate in color. So for example, this is a two-color print, fluorescent orange and blue, and this is the fluorescent orange print, and here is the blue print. Together, they make this one piece. Okay, here we have our blue drum and our red drum. Every single color has its own drum with a master and a screen to print your image. And I'll show you here on the red drum. This sort of fruit roll-up waxy paper is where your design is burned. And you can see we have an old design still burned on here. The machine burns your design, and then it pushes the ink through this screen, and that pushes onto the paper, and that's how you get your print. Cool. We're going to recreate the duck and cat print using the blue and red drum. So as you can see, we have our plates, but it's a little bit off. This is called misregistration, but we can fix that to a point on the machine. You can see, now we still have a little bit of misregistration, but part of that imperfection is just part of the risograph, and generally you just kind of have to embrace it, and most people like the mistakes. So. One of the other common imperfections that happens in Riso printing are roller marks. Riso ink is kind of like a newspaper. If you rub it, it'll smudge. So you're going to have some little imperfections on all of your prints. It might be helpful to think of them more as like monotypes rather than a perfect uniform run. If you'd like to learn more about the Riso room or see some more examples, come by the Imaging Center. We have a lot of student work for you to peruse.